FileHold Courier. Share your files and documents securely at any time and from anywhere. Are you a membership organization communicating annual renewals to members? A government agency sending notices to taxpayers? A healthcare organization allowing patients to look at records? A construction company allowing contractors to view bid documents? A public service organization having employees review safety policies? When it comes to sharing files and documents with your clients and customers, email just won't do. You need a secure, encrypted portal that will safely pass documents to only the intended recipients. FileHold Courier allows you to safely transmit documents to people inside or outside the FileHold system, and the process is no harder than sending an email. Use Courier to stop sending insecure, large attachments via email. Send secure links to documents using passwords, expiration dates, and restricted download access. To send documents, all you need is an email address. All the recipient needs is to access their email and a browser with internet access. Let me show you how easy it is to send a Courier transmission. I have configured a Courier template to send an engineering requirements document to a customer for approval. Once the approval has been completed by the customer, the work on the specifications can begin. Courier templates can be made lockdown or ad hoc, depending on the needs of the transmission. You can define what type of action is needed, who the document's going to, and how long they have to complete the action, whether or not it requires a password, and more. Unlike FTP or email attachments, each Courier portal is private. When customers set up the Courier portal, they will purchase an SSL certificate from one of the many verified providers. The recipient's browser will indicate they are connected to a secure source like they would see with their bank. Once a user has used the link to the portal and has been authenticated with their username and password, they have secure access to only the information you provide. Once the recipient of the transmission receives the notification email, they can click on the link to be taken to the secure portal. Once in the portal, they can be forced to log in with a username and password prior to accessing the documents. If the recipient has not yet set a password, they will be prompted to do so when first accessing the Courier portal. Communicate with your clients. Communication between the sender and the client can be a two-way street. Not only can you share your documents, but they can share documents with you. When approving documents in the portal, clients can be asked to enter a password to verify that it is actually them approving the document. Comments and additional documents can be sent back along with their approval. We are now in the Courier portal, and the customer must now view my document that has been sent. We can see the instructions and who it was from. We have some transmission information up here in the header, which can be hidden. And we have the instructions. Since this is an approval action, the recipient must first download the document. This action signifies that the user has looked at the document. Once downloaded, the recipient can then approve or not approve or request changes to the document. I will now approve the document. Once the approval action is completed, the Courier template was configured to allow for comments and a feedback document if any changes are needed to the requirements. The recipient is also asked to enter their password again to verify that this is them. The sender of the transmission is then notified if the customer has approved or not approved the document. In this case, it was approved. With Courier, you always know when anyone views, approves, adds comments, or attaches a feedback document about a file or a document. As the sender of the transmission, you can get a detailed activity report to help verify documents are being viewed or approved in the Courier transmission report. Sent the wrong file? No problem. Transmissions can be canceled provided the action has not already occurred. Here we are in the Courier transmission report. And in the report details, I can see what happened exactly with this document. We can see it was approved, when it was approved, who it was sent to, what documents were sent, we can also review the comments and have a look at the feedback attachment, the status, and the log. And the log will tell you exactly the steps that it happened in order for this transmission to be completed. The responsive design of Courier means that you can view or approve documents anytime, anywhere you have internet access. The Courier portal can be customized to copy the look and feel of any organization. Proudly display your company logos and colors. When clientele come to the portal to access their files, they'll feel the security of knowing that they can trust the source. You can see here that I've customized the portal. I can also include links to other web pages, perhaps to other pages on your company website. Think you need Courier? Contact sales at filehold.com or visit our website at www.filehold.com. Thank you for watching.